Paka. Woza Paka. Paka Juju, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm good, man. How did you see the game?
This game, it was wonderful. Yo.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was
Who
very
impressed
nice.
you the most?
Who's this? Sipo Chain.
Sipo Chain, yes, our goalkeeper.
Yeah, Siema.
Lebone Siema, defender of the season.
He was working today.
That's beautiful.
Yo.
And the 2 goals that we scored?
They were impressive.
They were impressive from our senior players,
Yes.
Moremi and Apolis.
Yes.
Paka Juju, see you again next week Saturday.
Sure.
Tango. Pagania Bopa. Kuluma mfanam. Uyibone kanjani game?
Ngibone right.
Ibe right ne? Ubani umthandile namhlanje?
Sipo Chain.
Chain, yes.
Sebelebele.
Sebelebele.
Sibisi.
Siema.
Nomrema
Le police ne? I see you again next week Saturday here at Orlando ne? Sharp. Paka. Away, my brother.
Mike Mamosha.
My brother, uhahleki mama muthi. Sibilibili. Mike Mamosha.
Hey, ke rithanda go motapatela.
Ne tshwara ke tla patela. Ke a bona my brother o bethile ka authentic way. Well done and see you again next week Saturday here Orlando Stadium.
Obvious, siyabuya la.
Away my brother.
Next to Sumela police.
Yes, a police. We want to see you. A police. I say abonga Paka. Bero kane. Le khatlile ke mama motla mo gaming.
Ke mention.
Ka fela bona. Ara lebo. A police. Re tla le bona hape ka Saturday ne. Re a leboga. Yes. Up the box.
Up the box.
Game
today was very fine and well, but the main problem is only this: we can't defend 1-0.
Yes,
we can't defend 1-0.
We must score 2 goals early.
As a professional, we are a professional,
and we are defending champion.
Yes, we are protecting 1 goal.
Yes.
Why we don't attack?
Why we don't? The coach must work on that.
Besides, the coach must work on that. The coach must go.
Must go. You want which coach?
No, we look for another coach. Why? Because that coach is not good for us.
It's not. He won us the league, Musa. He won us the league.
That coach is very wrong.
It's very wrong now.
Okay, according to the game, then
yes.
Tito Masangani is supposed to be out earlier.
Long time ago.
Take Osun Police out.
Yes, before Masangani. What's that?
What is that?
What's that?
So the main thing, he doesn't know Orlando Pirates that game.
Yes.
We only know Muruma Galas. This is not Orlando Galas.
Yes.
This is Orlando Pirates.
And we must play beautiful football.
Exactly, we must play beautiful ball.
Yes.
Understand?
Now I hear you,
So please, Baga, for the next game, that coach, he must make sure
he must do something right.
Because we've got a quality player from Norway.
And did you see 49? This little kid who was
it was just a very good. He's from Boroko FC, that one. He's a good player.
Yes.
So I hope next time he can be with us and then he plays it very well.
Tango.
That coach must go.
One simple word.
Yes, one simple word.
Watch out for number 49.
49.
I won't call him by the name.
Yes.
Watch out for number 49.
49.
Nizongbonga after just half season.
Paka Juju next week Saturday.
Watch out for number 49.
Yes. Tango. Paka Juju.
Hi, Sabulala.
Paka Juju.
Konke kuhlangene.
Something wrong.
Yes.
Let's just say the coach must go.
He can't say the coach must go.
How many cups did he take this coach?
He won 3 already for us.
3 for us.
Yes.
Now they say the coach must go.
Because of 1 game.
For 1 game. How many matches other teams? Sometimes how many matches they didn't get to the cups?
Exactly. They only won 1 Champions League and the coach is still there.
Yeah.
It's
wrong.
So sometimes
what is sometimes because it's a coach.
Yes. And a good coach.
Yeah, good coach.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Away.